everyone, it's Edward here with another product review on Truckonomics. Today is going to be the Blue Parrot B250 XT USB charging version. Now, Blue Parrot actually makes some of the best Bluetooth headsets that are out there on the market today. And in fact, I've got it right here. This is actually my second one of these. I had a B350 and, excuse me, not a 350, a 450. Didn't really like it as much, and it didn't last as long as my first B250 did. The first one I had was the one that had the car charger, so it has a different adapter. This one's a USB charger. I'm not going to turn it on during this, but this is sort of how it looks on your head. And it can go either way, so if you want it on the right ear, you can easily do that, and it fits both sides. So you got it like that. Holds pretty easily, and it's very comfortable. That's one of the things I do like about the Blue Parrot one, at least especially the B250, since it only has this little bit of a metal coil for it. It's a lot easier to adjust. The 450 has a big plastic band around it, and it's not as easy to adjust based on what size, well, essentially what size head you have. So that's one thing I didn't like about that one. This one, the reason I like Blue Parrot so much is because of their noise canceling abilities that they have on these. I've actually been outside wearing these on phone calls, and there have been trains next to me and people can't hear it. I talk to people constantly on the phone while I'm driving, and they don't even know I'm driving down the road with it, so they can't even hear the road noise with it. It's pretty easy pairing with these as far as it goes to try and put this onto your phone. It's a very simple setup, and it should take you maybe about 5 minutes at the most. Once you get it down, you can probably have this done in about 30 seconds. It's very quick to pair up and use. The battery life lasts a pretty good amount of time. I know I can keep this thing on for, it seems, almost days on end. I think the actual standby time is about 36 hours, so you could probably have this thing fully charged, turn it on, and leave it on for a day and a half, and it'll probably be lasting that entire time. Talk time while on the phone, I think, is somewhere around 8 to 10 hours. Don't quote me on that because I'm not timed it, but it does have a pretty good long charge life on the battery. The things I don't like about this one, you cannot charge it and use it at the same time. As soon as you plug it in, the light here goes red, and that means it's charging. And it won't be ready again fully until that light goes green. So that's one of the things that I don't like about it. This little windscreen part, if you lose that, the noise cancellation goes down to next to nothing. Most people can hear the wind noise at that point, and they can hear just about everything else. So a lot of their noise cancellation has to do with this little windscreen. It's not all of it, but that's a good portion of it right there. It also can just randomly unpair from the phone. I've had these where I've walked inside to go do something, had my phone with me, come back out, and normally to just repair it, it'll either do it on itself and it'll just pair back to the phone, or I just hit the button because it's flashing red and then it goes blue. Sometimes though, for whatever reason, it won't do that, and it won't even try to pair if you go through the phone settings. You have to literally make the phone forget the setting, turn this thing off, turn it back on in pairing mode, put your phone back on to actually pair it as if it was a new set again, and then it should work. So those are some of the things that I don't like about this. Otherwise, this is actually a very good product. Like I said, this is the second one I've had. You can get these usually at most of the truck stops. You can get them for about $119. In some cases, I've seen them as much as $129 for this specific model. But you don't even need to spend that much. You go on Amazon, you can find this exact set that's a brand new one for about $98, or you can even go for some of the refurbished sets like this one was and get it for as low as about $50. So if you're out here on the road and you're trying to save some money, save yourself a little bit more money by not buying it from some of these truck stops out of here, some of the major ones, because the markup that they have on these is incredible. You're talking at least $20 for just a standard one when you go through there. Now, most of us, we know that the markup comes with the territory, but if you don't have to pay it, hey, you can use that 20 bucks for something else. I will put the link in the description on where you can buy these, both the used and the refurbished models and the new ones. If you do that, click on them. Be sure to look through on that link, because that does help support the channel. And if you do like this video, be sure you give it that thumbs up and click that notification button after you click subscribe so that you can be updated on when I put out any new videos. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next video on Truckonomics.